let's take some time to expand or work on our clairaudience together. So just close your eyes. Don't worry about what's on the video, okay? Close your eyes and listen and see every single sound that you can hear. All the different birds, the sound of the wind, the vehicles. I can hear a kind of constant humming sound. Notice all the different sounds that you can hear. And if you're not hearing much, you want to expand it out, expand your reach. So you can do this in one of two ways. You can imagine your ears are getting bigger, like expanding your ears. Or like you have a dial and you're turning the volume up. Try that. Now listen. Post in the comments everything that you heard. Now do this every day to expand your clairaudience, and you'll be amazed at the things that you pick up, not just in your, in your home or in your direct surroundings, but from spirit itself.